Good morning, class 6 student. Now this is your math workbook of class 6. We will continue 9.2. So this is true false exercise. So first is, a survey is not a tool to collect data. It is false. Second, the bars in a bar graph can be horizontal or vertical with equal spacing between them. It is true. Third is, collected data is considered condenser in tabular form using telemarks. It is true. Fourth, data which can be represented as a pictograph cannot be represented. Data which can be represented as a pictograph can be represented as a bar graph. So it is false. If triple asterisk represent 10 trees, this is the any number of picture, then this represent 10 trees. Yes, it is true, because 10, 20 and 30. So it is true. Question number 6, the symbol dash represent 5 numbers. So it is also true, because 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Question number 7, data collected directly from the source are called secondary data. So it is false. When data collected directly, so it is primary data, not secondary. So it is false. Question number 8, in a bar graph, the width of bars may be unequal. So it is false, because in bar graph the width of bars are equal, not unequal. Question number 9, in a bar graph, bars of uniform width are drawn vertically only. So it is also false. Question number 10, in a bar graph, the gap between two consecutive bars may not be the same. So it is false, because the gap between two consecutive bar graph, it is same. So it is false. Question number 11, in a bar graph, each bar rectangle represent only one value of the numerical data. So it is true. Question number 12, to represent the population of different towns using bar graphs, it is convenient to take one unit land to represent one person. So it is also false. Question number 13, pictographs and bar graphs are pictorial representation of the numerical data. So it is true. 14, an observation occurring 5 times in the data is recorded as dash using telemark. So it is false, because the correct way is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 cross 5, not this. This is wrong. Question number 15, in a pictograph, if a symbol dash represent 25 books in a library shelf, so then the symbol of dash represent 50 books. So it is true, because one is symbol of 25 books and here is 2 books, so 25 plus 25 50. That is true. So student, in this video we will cover first question of true false. The second question we will cover in next video. Thank you.